Okay, so number 1, we actually did together. I did it on the board with you, and some of you still didn't write it down or do it correctly, which makes me very, very, very sad. So I will do it again. I want you to make sure that you're writing down everything that I'm writing down and listening to me as I'm doing this with you. So we start with the 9. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. First thing you're supposed to do is make a T-chart. 9 divided by 3 is 3. My 3 goes up here. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now I'm going to bring down the 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the 7. Repeat. 7 divided by 3. I don't see 7, so I have to get as close as I can without going over, which would be 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the 4. Repeat. 14 divided by 3. I don't see 14. I have to get as close as I can without going over, which is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I don't have any more numbers to bring down. So 2 is my remainder. So I have 3,124 with a remainder of 2. Okay, number 2. First thing, make your Forest T-chart. Okay, 7 divided by 4. I don't see 7, so I'm going to get as close as I can to 7 without going over, which is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down my 8. 38 divided by 4. I don't see 38. So I'm going to get as close as I can without going over. So I'm going to use 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down my 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. 26 divided by 4. I got to get as close as I can without going over. So I'm going to use 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down my 0, and I still have 20, so I still have to repeat again. 20 divided by 4 is, look right here in my T-chart, is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. I don't have any more numbers to bring down, so I'm done. 1,965. Number 3, first thing I'm going to do is make a 2's T-chart. All right, 4 divided by 2, right here. Look, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 9. Repeat. 9 divided by 2. I don't see 9, so I'm going to get as close as I can without going over it, which is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 4. Repeat. 14 divided by 2. Right here in my T-chart, it's 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. Bring down my 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. I don't have any more numbers to bring down. So my quotient is 2,471. All right, now I'm going to come down here to number 4. I'll make that a little bit smaller because I want you to be able to see that I'm going to use this 4's T-chart, because on number 4, the divisor is 4. So instead of making another one, I'm just going to use this one because I already have it, okay? All right, so 5 divided by 4. I can do that. 5 is bigger. I don't see 5. I have to get as close as I can, which would be 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down this 9. Repeat. 19 divided by 4. So I'm going to go back up here to my T-chart. Do I see 19? Nope. I'm going to get as close as I can without going over, which is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 19 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down this 1. 31. Now I'm going to repeat. 31 divided by 4. Go back up here. Where's my T-chart? I gotta get as close as I can without going over. 32 is over, so I'm gonna have to use 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Now I have to subtract. Now here's where a lot of you messed up. A lot of you tried to say 1 minus 8 was 7. No, no, no. You cannot do 1 minus 8, so you have to borrow. And some of you even said that was a 10. No, this is a 1. If you add 10 to it, you get 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, or you can say, look, 28 and 31. So 28, 29, 30, 31. I'm counting up, and that gives me 3. Lastly, I'm going to bring down the 0, and now I have 30. So I'm going to repeat again. So go back up here. 30. 32 is over. I have to use 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is, now I can do this a couple of ways. I can borrow because I can't do 0 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2, or I can say 28, 29, 30 and count up, and I know I have 2. Now, I don't have any more numbers to bring down, so this 2 is my remainder. So 1,477 with a remainder of 2. Okay, number 5. We're going to make a 5's T-chart right here. Alright, start with 2. Oh, 2 is smaller than 5, so I can't use that. So I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder right there. And I'm going to use 27. Looking at my T-chart, 27 divided by 5, I don't see it, so I'm going to have to get as close as I can without going over. So I'm at 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down this 7. Now I'm going to repeat. 27 divided by 5. Again, I have to use 25. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. So there's a 5 times 5 again is 25. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down this 2. 22 divided by 5. So now I'm going to go over here. Do I see 22? Nope. 20, I'm going to use 20 because it's as close as I can get without going above it. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 22 minus 20 is 2. No more numbers to bring down, so my remainder is going to be 554 with a remainder of 2. Alright, lastly, I'm going to do 8,052 divided by 3, and I already have this 3's T-chart up here that I'm going to use, so I don't have to make another one. So 8 divided by 3, so let's look. Do I see 8? Nope, I got to get as close as I can without going over, which looks like 6 is going to have to do because 9 is over. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the 0. Repeat. 20 divided by 3. Well, 21's over, so I'm going to have to use 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, again, be careful because I can't do 0 minus 8. I have to borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down my 5. 25 divided by 3. Okay, do I see 25? No, but I'm going to get as close as I can without going over, which is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down this 2, and I have 12. 12 divided by 3, well, looky there. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, so no remainder. But my quotient is 2,684. Oops, sorry, y'all couldn't see that last part. Okay, let's look at the back side together. All right, so on the first one, I set it up for you, and I said, this is 882 divided by 7 equals 126. So 882 is our dividend, which is what is inside these boxes right here. They broke it apart. If you add 350 plus 490 plus 42, you're going to get 882. Here's 7, the divisor. Now, the quotient is out here. You're used to kind of seeing it like this. You're used to seeing the area model like this. And so it said 40, what I set up for you was 42 divided by 7 is what gave us 6. 490 divided by 7 is what gave us 70. 49 divided by 7 is 7. No zeros to cancel out. Move my 0 over. So then here, we're going to say 350 divided by 7 gives me 35 divided by 7 is 5. No zeros to cancel out. I'm going to move that 0 over, and my answer should be 50. So I'm going to go back over here and circle B. Number 2. Emily's mom baked a batch of 42 cookies for a bake sale. She wants to package them in bags of 7 cookies. Which model shows how many bags of cookies she can make? So we're looking for an array that has 42 total cookies that are in groups of 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6 is 18. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 45. So no, it has to be B. Some of y'all didn't even read the question. 3. Each heart below represents a Valentine treat placed on a student's desk. Which equation represents how many desks are in each row? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we have 15 times 6, which is 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So there's 90 total hearts. So we have 90 divided by 6, which gives us 15. Number 4, which equation is represented by the model below? Again, this is an area model. All right, so we have the quotient is always on top. So 700 plus 40 plus 9, so 749 is the quotient. What is the quotient? Well, the quotient is the answer. So 749 has to be after the equal sign, okay? 5,600 plus 320 plus 72 is the dividend. So let's add that together. This is the bigger number. 2 plus 7 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5. 5,992 divided by 8 equals 749. You've got to remember that the quotient is always on top. I'm pretty sure I even told y'all that, and some of y'all still chose A. During recess, the jump rope challenge lasted for a total of 180 seconds. If each student took turns jumping for 9 seconds, how many students participated in the challenge? So we have 180 and 9. Now look, we know we're not adding. We know we're not subtracting. And then if you look at C, it's 180 divided by 90. Well, those aren't even the numbers in the question. The only answer choice that makes sense was A. Some of y'all just rushed through this and did not choose answers. Please make sure that you give this back to your homeroom teacher so that they can get it back to me.